Rini's gonna join us for this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I recently bought one of my dream suitcases that I've been wanting for quite a while. The timing just worked out because my sister had to take back her carry-on, which was the one I was using. So I was like, might as well buy the one I really want. But yeah, let's unbox this right now. I'm so excited. Okay, let's open it up and see how much space I have. This is like I guess the instructions. Oh, here is I guess my, what's it called? Luggage tag? Yeah. And then luggage tag. Oh, it comes with like stickers. And then like I guess like a little manual. Hey guys, so it's been a day since I did my unboxing video of the RIMOWA, and now I'm going to show you guys what I typically bring in my carry-on for traveling for work. So usually I'm away for 5 days, so I bring about 5 days worth of clothes and stuff that I will need. I've kind of like already packed everything like right here. The nice thing about the suitcase too is that like these kind of come off. At first I was kind of like, that's kind of weird, but now they're actually kind of convenient because like I can just take them out and like fill my suitcase however I need, and then these come out too. I don't know really where to start, but I'll start with, so I always bring slippers with me because, you know, like being born in like an Asian household, you don't wear shoes inside the house, so these are a must. And then because my trip is to Las Vegas, I'm planning on maybe going out a couple nights after work, so I brought my bag. This one I got from Korea. But yeah, I'm gonna bring a purse. I just use like a plastic bag for all my cords. I typically, just shove everything in here, including like I brought this like iPhone clicker thingy to take pictures by myself, as well as like this is like an extra piece for my tripod. But yeah, this is definitely like a necessity. And then I have my essentials. These are the bags that they use to like see how much liquid and gels you're bringing. So I just like keep the one I already have and just shove everything in here. But yeah, everything's in here, from my toner, cleanser. I have like my body scrub, creams, and then like cotton pads, as well as my contact case in here. The next essential is my makeup bag. It's quite big, but it has all my makeup that I need. And then my glasses case. I actually really like these glasses because I got them in Korea as well, and I don't know, they're just like, if you ever go to Korea, you need to get glasses because they're, one, very cheap, and two, they're so like stylish. My glasses are kind of dirty, but these are my glasses. They're like really cute. These are power banks. This one is mine, but this is like my boss's that I borrow. So I have to bring a lot of power banks because I have to use my phone a lot for like processing like the payments. So then just the essentials, like I also have like my toothbrush. I use an electric one, my hairbrush, and what's left on the one side of my suitcase and is my hoodie. So I'm just gonna bring like a small hoodie because I think it's pretty warm there. And then the last thing that I have on that side is this. So this is like, I wonder if it will, you can see if it turns on. You can see my setup, but I don't think you guys can see it, but this is like a monoxide detector. I don't know, I'm just really paranoid because of hotels and I don't trust it, so I just bring this for peace of mind. It's never gone off before, so it's good, but just in case, the chances is like very low, but I don't know, I have it, so I might as well just bring it. So yeah, that's everything on the one side of my suitcase. What I have in here is just my iPad and as well as this, which is my battery holder for my camera, which has 3 batteries, and it also charges through here, and it also holds 2 SD cards, which is quite convenient. Before, I was actually struggling with camera battery life because I only had 1 battery for my Sony for vlogging, and I would constantly be like running out of battery, or charging it was sometimes a pain because I'd have to charge through the camera. So this was definitely like a convenient purchase. For the other side, it's more of my clothes. It's actually kind of cool. I can just show it like this. But I have a spare case of contacts. Usually I don't need to change them, but if something like happens, like the contact, like I lose the contact, at least like I have an extra one just in case. Then, so this is the first time I'm bringing this for a trip, but it's a safety lock thing. The only thing about this thing is that like I think it doesn't work on some doors, so I think it's very situational of like what hotel door I get. But when I do vlog my trip to Las Vegas, I'll see if this works. But this is for like peace of mind. And the other thing is I have this from Sage headache relief kit. My sister got this for me actually. I also like put my eyelashes here, but these are stress relief, pep halo, and pep halo wand. These are kind of like little things that help me get through my day. So next is my clothes. Again, I'm bringing 5 pairs of clothes because it is like a 5-day trip. And then the last thing I have is this, which is like all my underwear, socks, my pajamas, and a few extra like tank tops that I will bring. Yeah, it's all like cutely packed up in a little case here. I also bring a backpack with me, which I don't put a lot in it, but usually I bring it when I go to like the hotel to the convention. I need like a bag to hold some stuff, so that's why I bring a backpack. And then I have my Lululemon side bag that holds my important documents, as well as my wallet. I have a little kit here that has like my AirPods, band-aids, alcohol swabs. This is like a loop, like the noise canceling thing, and I don't know why my rings are in here. Oh, and like a hair tie. So yeah, these are like a little kit that I bring with me. And then the other things are just like little essentials and stuff like that inside, like lipstick, some medicine, eye drops is a must, and like also really like this. Yeah, I just bought this one. It's supposed to like, you powder it onto your bangs and it'll like degrease your hair if it's like looking a little greasy. So I'll also bring that. And then on the side here, it looks a little messy because like there's a lot on it that I added. So this is the keychain I'm gonna be selling at the con, which is really cute. I hope it does well. And then I have a beeper just in case with a flashlight. And then my friend, if you watched my Toronto vlog, made me a little crochet bow. It's kind of like scrambled. It's kind of like, I'm not sure if I should leave it on this bag. But yeah, that's everything in my bag, or everything in my suitcase. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys.